Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. As you can see, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing today press-on nails from SHEIN. So let's start this party. And I'm starting with short square shape. These nails are pink glitter with flower prints. And the back of the nails are white. I don't like that too much, but once you apply them, they won't show. And as you can see here, the price is amazing. And they actually look like the picture they use for advertising. I did notice that the glitter on the pink nails are sticking out a little bit. And for this, I'm gonna be using top coat or a builder gel just to encapsulate the nails and to make them a little bit stronger, because they are a little bit flimsy, to be honest. All these nails are made of PVC, meaning plastic. Here you can see how flimsy they are. For sure, if you buy these nails from SHEIN, just use something on top to make it stronger. So yes, the glitter is sticking out a little bit and I don't like that. That's why applying top coat or a builder gel will cover up that as well and make the nail stronger, like I mentioned before. On the back of the box, you can find instructions on how to apply these nails. The instructions are for the sticky tabs only, because that is what they are included in the package. It mentions to wash your hands, push your cuticle, file your nails, choose your nail sizes, and then go from there. But I wouldn't recommend to wash your hands at least for an hour before applying your nails, because you need your nails as dry as possible for a better adhesion. And this package is including as well the sticky tabs and the mini file. And as you can see here, the price is $2.60 Canadian, and they do not match the pictures that they are using for advertising, to be honest. The nails on the picture look more like an acrylic artist created those and they just copy the design. But what can you do for that price, to be honest? The design is really cute. But for these ones, I will do the same with the builder gel and top coat just to make it stronger and to seal the design so they will last me longer when I wear them. As I'm checking the sizes, they all go from size 0 to 9. If you can find all your sizes, you can always reshape them by filing them around the cuticle area until they fit you properly. These nails are looking amazing on the picture, as you can see, but when I opened the package, I wasn't too happy about it. Application instructions are on the back of the box as the other ones. Like the rest of the other nails, the sticky tabs and the mini file are included. And these ones are in the round shape. And the glitter was sticking out all over the place, to be honest. I wasn't happy about that. These nails remind me of a dating profile where the picture versus reality is very different. But the color is actually very cute. There are other brands on Amazon already recommending to apply builder gel on their nails to make them stronger. And you're gonna be paying way more money than what you pay on SHEIN, so there you have it. What is the point to pay more money if you still have to apply a builder gel to make it stronger? I can do that myself at home with cheaper nails. These ones are actually my favorite of all the nails I purchased. They look pretty much like the picture they use for advertising. Of course, it's not exactly the same, but they're actually really cute. The shape is a square and they have a cute design with Frenchies and some flowers. I really like these details. These ones are the ones I'm gonna be using today to give them a makeover. I don't have builder gel, but I'm gonna be using base gel and top coat and some rhinestones. So stay tuned so you can see the makeover I'm gonna be giving these nails. Like the other nails, these ones are flimsy as well. So now you know, guys. I think the shorter nails are better because if you choose a longer nail and it's gonna be this flimsy, it's gonna be hard to wear if you're not making them stronger somehow. And as well, the finish edge here, as you can see, it has to be filed off to make it straight as well. Just remember, by buying these nails on SHEIN, you are saving so much money. And this is the last package I have for today. These ones are a beautiful pink chrome. These ones are short square as well. They have more like a rounded corner. I opened this package and noticed that these sizes are a little bit bigger than the other ones. And as I was looking at it, and I said, wow, these ones look like you can even apply them to toenails. I see so many people using artificial nails now on their toenails, and it looks nice. These ones are flimsy again. That's why you need to apply something to protect them and make them stronger. And they scratch very easy, to be honest. So for sure they need to be covered with something else. I think I wanna try this on my toenails and see how it looks. Especially now that the winter is almost over and the days are getting longer and the summer is gonna be here very soon. We're gonna be exposing our toenails more, wearing sandals and going outside and having some fun. And of course, we need our toenails look nice. And if we can do it for an affordable price, why not? Okay, makeover time. For this, I'm using nail stands. If you don't have this, you can use anything where you can place your nails to be able to apply the top coat or the builder gel. And you're gonna need a UV lamp if you're using top coat or a builder gel that is curing. As well, you can use regular top coat. This one air dries, so make sure that you let it dry very well between layers and apply at least 2 coats. Today I'm gonna be using the Macar top coat. I'm gonna take these nails and create a set for myself. I already know my sizes, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply them to the nail stand. The nails are ready to go, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean the top just to make sure that the base gel attaches properly. I was afraid to buff them because I didn't want to remove the design, but I think they can handle a light buffing if you want to do that. Hopefully I won't have any lifting issues when I apply the base and top coat layer. As well, I wanted to show you this combo that I have over here with nail glue and nail glue remover. This is much better than using sticky tabs for sure. I have used this nail glue remover before on other type of nail glue and it works very well, especially when the nails are starting to lift. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the top of the nails today with nail prep dehydrator, which is similar to alcohol, so you can use alcohol as well for this step. Okay, so top coat done, and the nails look really nice. As you can see here, they look very strong now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more detail. I'm gonna just go ahead with some rhinestones to complete this makeover. I'm just applying some extra rhinestones near the cuticle area on the thumbnail, and they're looking really cute. I really like these makeovers. I enjoy doing this because I didn't have to create the whole design, and I do like adding these extra touches to make it look cuter. So now that I'm happy with the makeover, to complete the final step is gonna be filing the free edge just to make it look nice and sharp. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it on a box, and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. I'm going to place the nails in this cute box just to keep it nice. I'm gonna be using some double side tape, but before I do that, I want to make over another set. Sometimes I give my friends press-on nails, and I give them as well a kit like this with a mini buffer, an orange stick, a mini file, an alcohol pad, a nail glue, and sticky tabs. So they have options. And look how cute these nails are looking. I love them so much now, much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and make over this other set, the pink ones with the flower print. I'm going to apply 2 layers of the matte top coat, and they're gonna be so much better. And this is it. This is the final result for today. I'm very happy with the nails. After the makeover, they became stronger and nicer, I think. So it's up to you guys if you like to buy affordable nails and just to do something like this to make it stronger. It's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.